Hey, internet marketers, are you trying to make money with internet offers? But then you realize a teaser page, pre-lander, or landing page is compulsory. But then the question is, why do we even need a landing page in the first place? Let's break this down. When you look for affiliate networks, they will prompt you to set up your landing page. Why? Because they don't want the bad actors coming, and they want you to build the credibility first. And this is the same with Facebook and Google ads too. For you, you need a landing page for the better conversion. A clean place for your visitors to take an action. And heck, there is other benefits too. Seems win-win, right? But here's the catch. Building a landing page from scratch takes hours and costs way more than you think. But not anymore. Presenting Fiverr's fastest loading landing page that never expires. Comes with lifetime free domain and hosting. Just send me your hop or affiliate link and you get your dream page in few hours. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or pro, I will turn your interest into money-making machine. Exclusive on Fiverr.